All right, we've got the VV Car MC25 wireless CarPlay. So I'm going to get into it in just a second, turn the car on, show you everything. But it's very easy to install. This stand, so this comes out. This is the actual device right here. It comes out right there. So that's the stand right there, and it just sticks on your dashboard. And if you want, you can even put it right here. I like it better there. And so that part just goes straight into the stand, and it just locks right into place. So that's amazing. Then we've got these two cables. So this is my own cable that I just have, but this is the cable that it comes with right here, and this plugs into the lighter. So basically it runs up, the wires aren't clogging the windshield, so that's amazing. It runs up through here, and it goes, you sort of push the wire back in through here, so you're not seeing it. We have it sort of come out over here, it comes through there, and then it comes down here. So you got the wires just not clogging up the windshield. So that's amazing. This is my own wire. I actually have it hooked to the rear. I have my own rear dash cam that I have hooked to, so that's amazing as well. It also comes with this this auxiliary cable you can plug in here, and if you have an auxiliary plug right here, you can plug that in. I'm just using the FM transmitter in my car, but if you want to use the auxiliary cable, you can do that. So let's go ahead and turn it on. That way you can sort of see all this has to offer. So turn this on, that's going to turn on. Then after a few seconds, 4 seconds, it's going to make some noises. Then it's going to turn on. All right. So as you can see, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android Cast, the Wi-Fi video. So if you come over to my phone for a second, you can see there is an app right there. So if I open that app, it opens up the dash cam. You can do front dash cam, and if you have a rear dash cam, you can do that as well. And all the recordings, if you ever record, which you can have it just always recording where it just turns on automatically every time you start your car, and all the recordings just get sent to that app. So that's amazing. So you can do tons of different things. There's tons of different apps on here. My favorite are obviously, you got the text messaging, which I'll just open for a second. You got that. You got the GPS, which obviously you're gonna need. And then I obviously we got spot. Let's just turn something on. We will turn on. Oops. We'll turn that on. And so that's going to turn on here. So as you can hear, let's go forward a little bit. Or whatever. So sounds good. And that's running through. I had that going through the FM stereo of the car, which you can set that up differently if you want. But that's what I have. So that's amazing. And so another amazing thing, this is hands-free. So I'm just gonna call my mom. She's on the plane right now. She's probably not gonna answer, but we'll see it. Hey Siri, call my mom. And there we go, it's calling my mom. Now she's probably not gonna answer. Let's see if she answers. Who knows?
Hello.
What's up?
We landed early.
Well, thank you for answering, and I'll see you soon.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right. Love you too.
Bye.
All right, bye. So as you can see, amazing product, amazing value. You need to get it. Oh, another thing I want to say, look how small this is. A lot of these CarPlays are big. You don't want a big one. You don't want this thing blocking up your windshield. You want it small, and it's still, dude, like that, everything on the screen is big. You can read everything. You can see it. It's amazing, right in your line of sight. Highly recommend.